Hello good people, this is US from the Focus on Fragrance channel. I hope you're all doing very well and smelling great. Today we have a fragrance from the house of LATTAFA, which is one of the best houses from the UAE Middle East. I have already did two videos on the other two fragrances from this same line, which is the abiyedh Rouge and abiyedh Musk. So this is the third one, abiyedh Leather, which I finally have, and the line is completed with me. So this is gonna be a first impression and unboxing video. Let's get into this, guys. Let me open it up. Okay. So this is the presentation, guys. The front, it says I am white, just like the other boxes, and abiyedh the inside. This here says leather. On the back side you get a legitimacy sticker over here, and this says 60 ml 2.04 fluid oz, and you can just track it, this QR code. And from the bottom, this is manufacture, production date is 2019, and the expiry date is 2024, which is nearly coming, guys. Made in the UAE, and this is the barcode, www.lattafa.com. Let's open it up, guys. So you pull it like this, a box from another box. Okay, so this is like a shiny box, some ingredients, 60 ml, the same things. Let's take out the bottle. Okay, the bottle is just like the two other bottles. Some differences with the juice color. The cap is just like the Club Genuine and some few other fragrances, and I like the other one, the print over here. This is too flashy color, and this says leather over here, but I like the juice color, guys. Look at this, it's like a golden color. On the bottom you get made in UAE again, EDP concentration. Let me show you the sprayer, guys. The best thing about this, I love the sprayer and the detailing, guys. Look at the pipe. The pipe color is also kind of a brown, matching with the box color. That is very appreciated. Quite detailed thing. And even this atomizer is the same color as the box and as the pipe, guys. It's very good. Let me show you the atomizer. So this is just a very good atomizer, guys, like a misty sprayer. It's so strong in the opening. It does have leather, and this does remind me of a fragrance. Yes, probably of African leather, I think. The Irish leather or African leather. So this is like a bitter green leather. Yes, a very green leather. I like it. This is a very unique fragrance, guys. Sharp, very sharp, bitter in the opening, and very green leather. I do like this a lot, guys. This is gonna be a very unique fragrance in my whole arsenal. The other two, the musk is very tutti fruity, not my type really, and the rouge is very sweet. This is the best from this line for me. Okay, guys, so I will be checking out the fragrance, play around with it a little, check out the longevity, sillage and everything, and finally I will tell you guys about this fragrance in the full review. This was all for now, guys. Until the next video, take care, and if you do like my videos, hit that like and subscribe button, guys. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.